So welcome to our class. And in the last class we discussed about our lesson 4 good habits. And what are the good habits? You all are good children and we also follow some good habits, okay, that make us fit and healthy. So what are the good habits that we discussed in our earlier chapter? Yes, brush your teeth twice a day and bath daily, take a bath daily. Then wear clean clothes and comb your hair daily or regularly and clip your nails or cut your nails properly. Do not bite your nails and cover your mouth and nose while sneezing or coughing, and wash your hands before and after every meal. So these are the good things, some good habits that we discussed in our previous chapter. So today we are going to start our next chapter, that is lesson 5, safety habits. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study about some safety rules. So why should we follow safety rules? We should follow safety rules to avoid accidents. So we all also follow some safety habits to avoid accidents. And if we follow the safety rules properly, then we can avoid accidents. So our chapter is safety habits, and there is a warm-up section in your textbook. Here is some pictures are given. Cross the picture where an accident may happen and tick the picture where there are no chances of an accident in the given box. So here some pictures are given. If you put a cross when the picture shows accidents may happen, and you put a tick mark on the box if the picture shows no chances of an accident. For example, in the first picture, here is a girl and in her hand is an apple, and it's not caused any accident, so you put a tick mark. And the next figure, a boy touched the plug points. So you never touch the plug points. If you touch the plug points with your wet hands, may cause accident. So it happens accident. So put cross on the box. Like this, you should do the other boxes as your homework. Then we are moving to our chapter. First one, accidents. So accidents. What is the spelling of accidents? A C C I D E N T. Yes, accidents. So we should follow safety rules to avoid accidents, and we should follow some safety rules at home, school, and always on the road and while playing to avoid accident. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about safety at home and safety on road, which means what are the safety rules that we followed at road, and safety while playing, safety while riding a vehicle, and safety while swimming. So first one, why should we follow safety rules? We should follow safety rules to avoid accidents. We should S-H-O-U-L-D. We should follow F-O-L-L-O-W. We should follow safety rules. S-E-F-E-T-Y. Safety rules. So safety habits to avoid accidents. To avoid accidents. A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T-S. So we should follow safety rules to avoid accidents. So what is the spelling of accident? A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T-S. Accidents. We should follow safety rules to avoid accident. So what are the safety rules that we must follow at our home? So the first topic is safety rules or safety habits at home. may cause accidents. So never take medicines on ground. It's a very important safety rules that we should follow at our home. And the second one is never play with sharp things. Okay, it's an important thing. Never play with sharp things. N-E-V-E-R. Never play. P-L-A-Y. Never play with. W-I-T-S. Never play with sharp things. S-H-A-R-P. Sharp things. T-H-I-N-G-S. Never play with sharp things. Sharp things like knives, blades, etc. It may cause accidents. Okay, so you should avoid sharp things, playing with sharp things. Okay, so do not play with sharp things at your home, and always you do not play with sharp things at your school and other places. Then next one, you should keep your toys and books at their proper places. And next point, never touch the plug points with your wet hands. Okay, stay away from electric circuits. If you touch the electric circuits with your wet hands, it may cause accidents. So you should always stay away from the electric circuits. You should stay away from the electric circuits. So stay away from the electric circuits such as plug points and other electric circuits. Okay, so stay away from electric sockets. Stay away from A-W-A-Y. Stay away from F-R-O-M. Stay away from electric sockets. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C. Electric sockets. S-O-C-K-E-T-S. Electric sockets. So stay away from electric sockets, and always remember that do not touch the plug points with wet hands. It may cause accidents. Then next one, do not fly kites on the terrace. Always do not play on the terrace. It may cause accidents. So you should play on the playground. So do not fly kites on the terrace, or do not play on the terrace. And do not play outdoor games inside the house. Okay, do not play inside the house like the games cricket, football. These are outdoor games. Do not play the outdoor games inside your house. It may also cause accidents. Then next one is never run up or down the stairs. If you run up or down on the stairs, it may cause accidents. So the safety rules that we should follow at our home are never play with sharp things. Never play with sharp things like scissors, knives and blades. Okay, and stay away from the electric sockets. So what is the spelling of electric sockets? E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C. Electric sockets. S-O-C-K-E-T-S. Sockets. Electric sockets. So stay away from electric sockets. Do not touch the plug points with your wet hands. It may cause accidents. Then do not fly kites on the terrace. So always do not play on the terrace. And never run up and down on the stairs. So, and you should remember that always you use a sharpener to sharpen your pencil. Do not use a knife or blades to sharpen your pencil. It may cause accidents. You should always use a sharpener to sharpen your pencil. These are the important safety rules or safety habits that we should follow at our home. Then next one, safety on road. Safety on road. So it are the safety rules that we should follow on road. As the first and important one, always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpaths. cause accidents, you should walk on the left side of the road. Okay. Then never play on or near the road. It may cause accidents. And always play in the playground. Never play near the road. Never play near the road or on the road. Never play on or near the road. N-E-A-R, near the road. Which may cause accidents. Then always follow the traffic lights and signals while walking on the road. And always you should follow safety rules and like traffic signals and traffic lights while driving a vehicle also. Okay. So on safety on the road, the first one is always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath. Never play on or near the road. And if there is a subway or overbridge, then use the subway or overbridge to cross the road. Then always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, walk on the left side of the road. Walk on the left side of the road. And always cross the road from the zebra crossing. Cross the road from the zebra crossing. Cross the road. Cross the road from the zebra crossing. So what is spelling of zebra crossing? Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra crossing. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Zebra crossing. So cross the road from the zebra crossing. Then next one. And cross the road from the zebra crossing when the traffic has stopped. So these are the important safety habits that we should follow on the road. First one, always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, then use the left side of the road to walk. Then never play on near on the road. Then cross the road from the zebra crossing while the traffic stops. So cross the road from the zebra crossing. Cross the road from the zebra crossing. So first one, always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath. So what is spelling of footpath? F-O-O-T-P-A-T-H. Footpath. Then never play on or near the road. It may cause accidents. Then cross the road from the zebra crossing. You should play on the playground. Okay, so cross the road from the zebra crossing. So and always you should follow the traffic signals and lights while walking on the road. Here some pictures are given here. It's a good safety habits. It's a safety habits like walk on the footpath. Here the boy walk on the footpath. It's a safety habits and it's avoid accidents. So walk on the footpath, cross the road from the zebra crossing. These are the zebra crossing and you also use the zebra crossing to cross the road. And next one, do not play on or near the road. So do not play on or near the road. It may cause accidents. So these are the important safety rules that we should follow on the road. Then next one, safety while playing. Safety while playing. So we should always follow some safety rules while playing. And the first one, play safe game and never play games where you might get hurt. So you should play safe games. Play safe games. And next, never push others. Do not push others while playing. Never push others while playing. And if you push others or fight with others while playing, it may cause accidents. Okay, so you should never push others or fight with others while playing. Then play on the playground. Play on the playground. Play on the playground. So you should always play in the playground. Always play in the playground. Then next good habit, so safety habit that we should follow while playing is follow the rules of the game being played. Follow the rules of the game. Follow the rules of the game. Follow the rules of the follow the rules of the game while playing, and always wait for your turn. And play in a safe area and return to the home before it is dark. So play in a safe area. 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 So play safe games and play in the playground. And always play in the playground. Follow the rules of the game and always wait for your turn while you play on a seesaw or other rides and play in a safe area. So these are the important safety rules that you should follow while playing. Play safe games, play in the playground, follow the rules of the game and play in a safe area. So these are the safety rules that we should follow while playing. And always play in the playground. Do not play in the terrace. It may cause accidents. So the first one, we learned about why should we follow safety rules. We should follow safety rules to avoid accidents. We should follow safety rules to avoid accidents. And we should follow the safety habits properly. Then we can avoid accidents. And we should always follow some safety rules at our home, school. Always follow some safety rules in your school and while playing or playground and on the road. So what are the safety habits that we follow at our home? And the first one, never touch or make or take medicines on your own. And you always take the medicines after consulting a doctor or with the advice of your parents. Okay, so never touch or take medicines on your own. Then never play with sharp things. Never play with sharp things like knives, nails, scissors, etc. It may cause accidents. And stay away from the electric sockets. Like do not touch the plug points with your wet hands. It may cause accidents. So you should always stay away from the electric sockets. Then do not fly kites on the terrace and always do not play on the terrace. It may cause accidents. And do not play the outdoor games inside your house. So play outdoor games outside of your house. Then the safety on road. So what are the safety rules that we should follow on road? And the two important safety habits that we should follow on road are, yes, always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath and cross the road from the zebra crossing. Cross the road from the zebra crossing. First one, always walk on the footpath. Where if there is no footpath, then you walk on the left side of the road. Okay, do not walk on the right side of the road. Should walk on the left side of the road. So always walk on the footpath and cross the road from the zebra crossing while the traffic has stopped. Then never play on or near the road. It may cause accidents. And if they never play on or near the road, and always follow the traffic signals or traffic lights. And if we follow the traffic signals, then we can avoid accidents. And always we should follow the traffic signals and traffic lights while driving a vehicle, and always follow the signals while walking. Then we studied about safety while playing. So what are the safety habits we should follow while playing? Yes, first one, play safe games. Play safe games and always wait for your turn while you play with seesaw or other rides. And do not push others or fight with others while playing. Do not push your friends or fight with your friends while playing. That may cause accidents. And follow the rules behind the game. If you play a game, then you should follow the rules of the game. And play in the safe area. Always play in the safe area. Do not play on the terrace or unsafe area. It's not safe. So you should play in a safe area, and always return to your home before it is dark. So these are the safety rules that we follow while playing. Okay, so today we learned about safety habits at home, road, and while playing. So we should follow safety rules to avoid accidents. We should follow safety rules or safety habits. Safety rules or safety habits. So I should follow safety rules to avoid to avoid accidents. Accidents. To avoid accidents, we should follow some safety rules. And what are the safety rules? First one, never touch or take medicines without consulting a doctor, or you should never touch or take the medicines on your own, and you take the medicines with the advice of a doctor or your parents. Okay, and do not play with sharp things. Do not play with sharp things like knives, scissors, etc. It may cause accidents. So, and stay away from the electric sockets. Stay away from the electric sockets, which means never touch the plug points with your wet hands. It may cause accidents. And do not fly kites on the terrace, and do not play outdoor games inside the house. And never run up and down on the stairs. So here in your textbook, page number 157, safety at home. Some safety rules that we should follow at your home are given in your textbook. And the first one, never touch or take medicines on your own. Okay, so you should take medicines with the advice of a doctor. So never touch or take medicines on your own, and never play with sharp things. Never play with sharp things like blades, knives, nails, and scissors. And stay away from electric wires, sockets, and electric gadgets like a heater and an iron bulb. Iron means iron bulbs. Okay, so you should not play with iron bulbs and other electric appliances. It may cause accidents. So stay away from the electric socket. So here the picture is given. If you touch a plug points, then it may cause accidents. Not a good habit. Not a safety habit. Okay. And next point is, do not fly kites on the terrace, which means you do not play on the terrace, and do not play outdoor games inside the house. Do not play outdoor games such as cricket and football, etc. inside your houses. Then never run up and down on the stairs. Never run up or run up and down on the stairs. And do not play with knives. Knife is a sharp thing. So if you play with knife, it may cause accidents. Okay, so you should never play with sharp things. So these are the important safety rules we should follow at our home. Then the next one is safety on road. So what are the safety habits we should follow on the road? First one, always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath. So what is spelling of footpath? F-O-O-T-H-P-A-T-H. Footpath. Okay, always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, then you walk on the left side of the road and cross the road from the zebra crossing. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra crossing. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G, zebra crossing. So cross the road from the zebra crossing. So let's see. Safety on road. If there is a subway or overbridge, use it to cross the road and always walk on the footpath. Should walk on the footpath. Where there is no footpath, walk on the left side of the road and never play on or near the road. Always play in the playground. Always follow the traffic lights and signals while walking on the road and always cross the road from the zebra crossing when the traffic has stopped. Here these two pictures represents good safety habits. That means walk on the footpath and cross the road from the zebra crossing. These two are safety habits or safety rules that follow on the road. Then next one, safety while playing. So play safe games. Play safe games. Never play games where you might get hurt. So do not get hurt while playing. Then never push others or fight with them playing. Then follow the rules of the game being played, which means you should always wait for your turn while playing. Play in a safe area and return to the home before it is dark. So these are the safety habits that we should follow while playing. So today we learned about safety habits that we should follow at home and safety on road and safety while playing. So why should we follow safety rules? We should follow safety rules to avoid accidents. So you should read your text more and more times, and if you have any doubts, ask me. So today let's wind up our class. Have a nice day. Thank you.